Hi, this is Brittany with Mosaic Insurance, just here for another quick tips by Britt. And I wanted to go over a question I get a lot, which is, do I need car rental reimbursement? And this question is great to look over what you have insured because you could or couldn't need car rental reimbursement. An example of why you might not need it is if you have multiple cars to drive in the event of an accident. So if you have 5 cars and there are 2 or 3 of you drivers in the household, and it makes sense to save the money up front and not pay for car rental reimbursement because you do have another car or 2 at your disposal in the case of an accident, then that's where you can make the decision of if this is a coverage you would like to carry or not. If you aren't in that situation, and let's say you get in an accident and you need a car rental, and this is your only vehicle for you or even your family, or this is the car you would only want to drive because your other vehicle is a tank and takes up a lot of gas mileage, then yeah, you would probably want to get car rental reimbursement. And what this is you can pick usually increments of 25, 30, 40, I think 50, and some carriers go up to $70 a day for car rental, and we'll pay up to 30 days while your vehicle is in the shop due to an accident. And this is for a covered claim. So this is not to do with your car's in the shop because your transmission went out. That is something that's nothing to do with insurance. And so unfortunately, your rental reimbursement would not pay out for that. Another thing to think about is if you are in an accident and you are not at fault, or they can't figure out who's at fault immediately, the only way to guarantee that you have car rental coverage is if you purchase it yourself through your own insurance. And you do need to have this before the event of an accident. But some people just think, oh, if I get in an accident, the other other party's insurance is going to pay for my rental car. That is not the case. Your insurance would pay this out immediately for you first while they go through the workings of the claim and figuring out who's at fault. Maybe you got hit by somebody who had a stolen vehicle, or they hit you and took off, and this goes into a month or 2 long situation, and you need to get a car to drive around to go to work immediately. That's a good reason to carry car rental reimbursement. The cost for it is not usually a lot of money. It is per vehicle. So if you buy it on one car but not the other car, and the other car that didn't have it has the accident, unfortunately, it doesn't get to go to that vehicle that was in the claim if it's not purchased on that vehicle. We would be happy to go over this with you. If you want to go over your policies and have a question, maybe add it, see if it's something you need. But thanks for watching Quick Tips by Britt. Thanks.